The lifeless body of the two men who were discovered in bushes in a community in Racecourse, Clarendon have been identified. They are Tevin O'Feal, a 28-year-old laborer of Gimmerby address, and 24-year-old Brandon Thompson of Aysfield Racecourse in the parish. The men were reportedly shot and killed by armed men on Wednesday, March 27, about 3:45 p.m. at Common Top area in Banks District, Clarendon. Police said residents reported hearing loud explosions in the vicinity and summoned the law enforcers. Upon their arrival, the area was searched and the bodies of the two males were found in bushes over 800 meters apart with what appeared to be gunshot wounds. The first body was found lying down in a ditch with wounds to his upper body. It was clad in brown jeans pants and a grey shirt with black knapsack on his back containing veritable matter resembling ganja, weighing approximately 1 pound. The bag also had personal items including deodorant and spray. There was another knapsack not far from the body number 1 which also contained veritable matter resembling ganja. The second body was found lying on his back clad in black merino, brown shorts and barefoot with gunshot wounds to the head, back and left hand. An investigation into the latest double murder has since been launched. A 51-year-old vendor is dead after she reportedly stabbed to death on Thursday morning in an alleged robbery in Negril Transport Center in Westmoreland where she plied her trade. She has been identified as Sandra Aisley from Townhead, Burn Savannah in the parish. Reports from the police are that Aisley went to the back of the transport center when she arrived shortly after 6 a.m. Commuters reportedly later saw her running from the area while clutching her neck. Observer online understands that Aisley's strap bag that she had secure on her neck was missing. The police were summoned and on their arrival the now deceased was seen on her knees clutching her neck. The police said she had what appeared to be wound to the left side of her neck. The lawmen later rushed her to hospital where she was pronounced dead. Investigations are ongoing.